Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I just made a video on how we do this knot on the rustic wrap journal. So now I'm going to show you how we package it up with a fabric pouch. All of our journals come with a fabric pouch, and the way we do that is we cut from a big bolt of fabric, and I've already cut out the template. We have a template, and I just cut it from there. And then we have our serger here. This serger is amazing. It's 6,000 stitches a minute. It's a Juki MO3612 for all those interested. And I'll show you. I'll show you how we do it. So the first thing we do is just get this edge all straightened up. So the serger will cut it and put a nice finish on it so it doesn't fray. Then we make the pouch part. So I put my book on it, measure it, make sure it's going to fit all correctly, and there we go. Then I'll square it up like that, and then I will do the sew around the perimeter of this. So what the serger does is it cuts and puts that nice finish on all in one. So let's get started with that. Okay, I get to the end here, make sure it's all square, and then there's a little knife in the back here. That's how come I can just cut the thread off. Okay, and then we're going to put our little gussets in. So I make a diamond, just like that, or a pyramid, and how much I cut off depends on how thick the book is. So this particular book is going to go right there. And so there's what I just did. Here we go again, same distance. And there it is. Turn it inside out. Put the book inside. And then I got some leather lace here I made for it. We're going to wrap it up and with some lace. And before we ship this to Crystal in Sweden, we'll put a nice bookmark in there for her. And that's it. That's how we make a little fabric pouch for your journals. See you later. Bye.